crazy. Said I've been tripping lately. I wanna know, baby, does that make me insecure? Mi amor.
Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I have a review for you on how I slayed this 360 wig from WOWEbony. Thank you so much for sending me this wig to review. So let me tell you guys what I'm wearing, and it is a long description, so I'm just gonna read it off my phone if that's okay with you. I'm wearing the Pre-Plucked 150% density Indie Remy hair 360 wig in Yaki straight from WOWEbony. So just in case you're new to my channel, I have been trying out different wigs that I've never had before. I didn't want to keep wearing the same wigs over and over and showing you guys the same wigs over and over and over again, like Brazilian straight, Brazilian curly, Brazilian straight, Brazilian curly. Like that kind of gets a little bit boring. So this is my first time trying a Yaki textured 360 wig, and I must say I like it. I like it because of the texture. The Yaki texture really, like, it just makes it a little bit more believable. Not saying it is believable, but a little bit more believable than like the regular hair that I've been using or trying, just because of the texture of it, of course, and then it's not so silky, it's not so shiny, that kind of thing. This cap is a little bit smaller for my head. It's just a little bit too small, and you can kind of tell right here. Because it is a 360, you want to make sure you have the back covered, your nape covered, as well as your front covered. I don't think I'm able to pull this hair up into like a high ponytail or anything like that that's going to show the back. I rarely pull up my wigs anyway, so it's not that big a deal. If you do have a larger size head, and I believe this is just an average cap, you may want to go ahead and order a larger cap size, or request that they do a custom cap size for you, or whatever procedure that they do have for that. So with that being said, whenever I have a wig that's too small for my head. I can't do too much to the baby hair because the wig doesn't fit me properly, if that makes sense. So I kind of have to finesse my own baby hair mixed in with a little bit of the wig baby hair. I did get some shedding. Of course, I always get shedding from cutting my lace because I probably cut some hair and whatnot, but nothing crazy. As I just keep running my fingers through it, I'm not getting anything. So I think all those shedded pieces have finally came out. I'm also not getting any tangles. With straight hair, I rarely get tangles in the first place, so that is great. So the good thing about this wig is that the hairline is pre-plucked. So if you are a beginner wig wearer, that's a lot. I highly recommend going to the WOWEbony website and finding a wig that is pre-plucked. So again, this wig is beginner friendly, not only because of the hairline, just because of the hair itself. It's not too silky or anything like that, so it's very easy to part and get your style. I'm not gonna cut this wig either, you guys, because this wig is really pretty. It is perfect just like this, and I would be a fool to cut this wig or mess with it. Also, if you have been kind of iffy about getting your first wig because you're not really sure on how the hair texture will fit with your, you know, 4B, 4C hair, and people go, no, it's not your hair, she wearing a wig, because we know that's not her real hair texture. I know, I've been there, I get it. This would be a great option for you to kind of ease you into wearing wigs and not having maybe feeling like people are like staring at you like, we know that's not your hair, because I've been there. I don't care, but I've been there. On camera, I'm gonna go ahead and see how it curls. So let's grab this piece.
Just kind of, I mean, I could do like wand curls, but I'm not a big wand curly kind of girl. I'm more of like take my flat iron and figure out, oh, okay.
Oh, well, that curled pretty nice. And y'all saw that on camera. That curl is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I don't know the last time I've had a wig or hair that's curled this easily. No lie. All right, so that's it for this review, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JMarie. I will put everything up here, down here, somewhere up in this video and down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, please put them down below. And that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.